Today we're gonna make
the most delicious drink you ever had.
The most delicious drink, and we're going to introduce it to somebody who hasn't been drinking for that long, but is a plenty 21. So it's time to get into the Chicago Southside.
I'm finally drinking.
It's got a mint.
Welcome to Common Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Brianna. That's my daughter, and that's Dan.
Not my wife.
His son.
Just a friend. Yeah, he's my Taiwanese friend.
Not my wife or his wife.
Right.
But they're both my dads.
Right. It's a shared.
It's just two dads.
It's a shared
Yeah.
DNA.
You seen the show? Two dads.
We twisted the DNA together.
Yeah.
Right.
It's already twisted.
There you go.
It's a double helix.
There's a nurse in the room. We're gonna make for you a Chicago Southside. This is going to be 1.5 ounces of London Dry Gin, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 7 dashes of Angostura bitters, and then 10 mint leaves. We're gonna shake it all together and have a good old time. Then we're gonna put a little mint leaf on top and drink it. Reason we're making a Chicago Southside.
Fantastic.
Not only is it awesome, we have not made it in a while.
Mint leaves ready.
Why haven't we made this in a while?
10 mint leaves.
We used to make this like all the time. Then something happened.
Oh my god, we used to drink it all the time.
Yeah, I think what happens, we discovered other cocktails like the Division Bell and stuff. And then,
Division Bell came in. You know what it is? Because you need mint.
You need mint. And you always have mint, but it doesn't matter because I never remember that.
We used to have mint outside.
Yeah, they killed it all. Yeah. And then I had some mint in a little bucket, and then that died.
Summer, I always have mint.
Yeah, if you put it in the ground, you'll have mint. The moral of the story is you need mint, a pretty good amount of mint. You're going to need a lot of bitters.
Throw them in.
Mint.
Now, there's two different South Sides. This is a Chicago South Side and a South Side. The difference is one doesn't have a buttload of Angostura, and I think it uses lemon juice. Can't remember for certain, but there's a recipe link below.
There's just like the South Side, right?
Yeah, different drink. It's all one word. Or no, it's 2 words, South Side. And then this was Chicago South Side, 1 word. Don't know why.
Weird.
Yeah, but it's super tasty. Always liked it. And since she's new to drinking, or that's what we're saying, we're gonna. She's never had this so far. The drink that has received the most praise, not tonight, not this week, not this month. We do a lot of shows. Is I believe the Dorchester.
Yes.
She likes the Dorchester. Link below for the Dorchester if you haven't seen it before.
Or a mojito. I'm into those.
I don't really.
I think this is better.
Okay.
I mean, mojitos are good. I think this is better than a Dorchester.
Huh?
That's a big say. What you just said.
Well, we'll see. I mean, it is a good drink, but I was going to say it's better than a mojito.
But you don't love those, do you?
I think it's better than a Dorchester.
All right.
So, I don't like mojitos.
No,
because
I love mojitos.
Really?
Right? They're so good. Refreshing.
I
don't
love mojitos.
We can make one. We have mint.
You could.
We never have mint. I always want to make one. We never have mint.
Well, the problem is I don't like mojitos because it's like I don't think they're very easy to make for some reason, and I don't like the club soda thing.
They're like the same.
What? It always feels like I'm making them too light, and like everybody's like, "Oh, this is really good." I'm like, "Really?" Because I find it tastes like mint water.
I mean,
and I don't really want to drink mint water. I want to drink
extra lime is good.
But
more lime, the better, in my opinion.
Yeah, but mint water to me is like.
Well, it's not mint.
It's mint water. It's mint water made harder. If I took a big thing of water and ice and threw mint in there, it's tasty.
I'm supposed to double strain that, wasn't I?
This doesn't matter. Why, you have mint floating in there?
It's like the Arthur meme.
Yeah.
Where he's holding his little thing.
God damn it!
I can see.
I'm fine to eat mint. Who cares? That's an herb.
It is an herb. It's healthy for you. It helps your skin. Helps your skin.
According to whom?
Me. Science says.
Just don't tell Ian that I didn't double strain it.
He won't remember because he wasn't here. Where's the little pink thing? Oh, there it is. Way over here. That's my pink marker, the line that's been there since the beginning of time. Boop. In case it doesn't work, I got that one.
Got it?
Alright. So you can try first. Because
we know how it tastes.
Yeah. I haven't had one for quite a few years. But, I mean.
Yeah, I actually haven't made one in a while.
No. I could tell because there's little pieces of meat growing in there.
I totally forgot that I had to double strain it.
And also double strain it. I don't even know if that's in there. Oh, it does say double strain.
Yeah, it does say double strain.
Yeah.
What?
That's good.
Oh.
You know what the top drink is, though, that we've made that anyone that I've made it for loves? Is the Irish Maid.
Really? Whiskey one?
Like, no, the Irish Maid is.
Irish whiskey?
It is Irish whiskey. Yeah.
It's got Irish in the name. It's almost always Irish whiskey.
And cucumber and Saint Germain.
Oh, I have that. You ever had Saint Germain?
No.
Oh, their flour?
See, oh my god, it's such a good drink.
We can make an Irish Maid, I bet. We have cucumbers in Saint Germain.
It's easy to drink.
It is.
The Ango, it's not like it. The Ango's not bitter. It's
You don't
like
find that bitter?
It's like a, not
You
really.
you get the Christmas flavor?
Now that you say it, a little, like, way
nice.
afterwards. But like, it's like the best parts of like a mojito, and like I like it.
see,
I wouldn't say I like it more than a mojito or a Dorchester, but it's growing on me. It's refreshing.
Mm.
But this has a lot. One of the most. The other one was the. There's another drink.
Trinidad
the
Sour?
Trinidad Sour has a lot of freaking Angostura, like an ounce.
Another great drink.
Yeah, but that one for some reason, like if you like the flavor of Angostura, then this is the drink. It's got like a, I don't know if it's nutmeg or clove or
Clove.
like brown sugary. Like
It's
Clovey.
almost like there's
It's
so much
very
Ango in
clovey,
it that
actually.
it like gets cut down.
yeah.
Like it's not bitter. It's
I could have done with like, instead of 7 dashes, like 5 or 4, and I think it would have been like
What about 10?
perfect.
oh
No.
it's so good.
And it has like that mint. It starts with the mint, and there's just enough sweetness.
It's limey too.
And there is some
I do
lime.
less of this and more lime.
Mm.
That's
You're
not
learning.
right.
You're learning.
You're
You'll
learning.
learn.
You're growing.
You'll get there. You
I'm developing.
You're
make it,
developing.
when you make a Trinidad rum sour and you have to take the dasher off the top so you can just straight pour it.
I wouldn't be down for that at all.
Oh, it's so good. Trinidad Sour.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
I mean, I'm down for it.
That's your other dad.
The cool dad.
You could use whatever one of these you want to use. We use one of these. I'm freaking rookie.
Gin.
London Dry Gin. We use High Clear Castle. I would, if you want to. I wouldn't use, like, you can use a cucumber, but it might be a little. I wouldn't put Hendrix in here because that's a lot. Like,
Cuke's
it's
a lot.
expensive. Well,
Like
Hendrix is
cucumber on
not
top
cheap.
of this. Is a
Yeah,
lot.
Hendrix.
Yeah. It's expensive
Yeah.
and it adds cucumber flavor to it. I would stick with something just straight up dry gin. We typically would use like
We just use like
This.
Beefeater. Yeah.
Beefeater, but I didn't remember that until right now. So
I hate that name so much.
Beefeater? That's because these little guards, they used to get
Don't
paid
be a
in beef.
Beefeater.
And that's how they would.
They used to get paid in beef.
I did a tour there, and
Oh, it's my favorite.
it's a big Tanqueray drinker. He loves this stuff. So good. Yeah, apparently, if you're a new drinker, you want to try something cool, give that a try. It'll give you
is.
some respect for the Angostura because
That's right.
most people don't even know what bitters are used for. So, bam, with that.
And your
plus it's
friends
got
will be
shit.
like, fuck. Like, where did you find that one?
And you'll be like,
Like, your
Oh,
friends
wow.
have not, they're not going to drink. They'll
They
never
won't.
I'd be
drink
like,
something
did you
like
watch Common Man Cocktails?
that. Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
of course.
Be like, get on your
Who
shit.
else? Who
I'm a-
else?
Yeah.
I'm one of the 405 viewers.
I'm one of the 13 viewers of the
So there you go.
I got a thing up my nose.
There you go. We're done. Sidebar, more videos down below. A bartender starter kit at awesomedrinks.com so you can get yourself making some Chicago Southsides tomorrow. And that's it. We're teaching you how to drink.